Did you see already the dahlia garden now? This part of the border now also starts really to look very good with all the hot colors here. You have like the oranges, the yellows, the very red dahlia, the Bishop of Landgraf. Voilà. I try to do everything in a very intense way. And I think when I'm in the office, I work 100%, and when I'm here, it's like 100% another thing. When you walk in the garden, you have to think, okay, things which have to be done, you have to make plannings, you have to make timings, you have to talk with the gardeners, to organize, make planting schemes and all these things. So it's again there, it's a different thing, but it's a good thing for me. Voila. Some late magnolias.
I think the first time we met, we talked a little bit, was on a party of a mutual friend years ago. But then I started to work with him. It must be more than 25 years ago now. And in fact, he needed somebody for his little tiny shop of 16 square meters at the moment then. And then the week later, they asked if I could help with deliveries. And before I knew, in fact, I was part of the company. They always say you better not fall in love with the people you work with, but yeah, at a certain moment it was quite hard because we were quite attracted to each other. So it gradually became what it is today now.
As long as I'm a fashion designer, Patrick is in my life and I'm in his. So I didn't experience it in a different way. I don't know how it is to create a fashion when you're not living together with your partner who is also helping you to create a collection. It's always important that when you have yellow here, that you have some yellow there.
Where?
So that the colors are coming back, so what you have here in the interior is also reflected a little bit in the flower bouquet. So the flower bouquet is kind of the essence of the colors that you have here in this room.
In the room?
Everything what Patrick and me are doing in life is done with a lot of passion. This house, the garden, the way we live, it's very intense. We often laugh with it and sometimes we suffer also from it, that we are maniacs in details and also that we make things then rather complicated.
It's very strange that in a conversation, Dries tells half of it and I tell half of it. Maybe that's a typical thing of a couple who's been together for a long time already.
How long?
Long. Should we say
Long.
a long time?
Yeah.
The necklace, the Heidi will take.
That's okay, yeah.
The collection is so nice. Yeah.
I don't want to make fast products. Just the fact that you buy it gives you the kick and after you're already bored with it. That's for me not what I want to do.
Well here.
For me it's really something what you can appreciate, that you can wear and that a few months later again you can put it on again in a different way and all these things which are growing with you as a person, as a character. So which can become part of your personality.
Sorry.
No, it's okay.
We want to give you a waist. You have a waist, but we are taking even more waist.
Oh my goodness, I feel it.
It's too tight or
No,
it's okay?
no, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's totally fine. Just kidding.
You still can breathe.
Yes.
That's the most important.
We'll see.
It's not that I have a magic formula to say, okay, now I want to make my clothes special. That's not the way how I work. So for me, it just comes in a very spontaneous way. It's not that I say, now I want to do something else and all the rest is doing.
But I can touch it. I'm the designer.
I just do the things which I like.